Hi everyone, welcome to K4 Craft. Today we are making a lavender card with a butterfly. We will need paper quilling pen, craft glue and a circle sizer. Here I am using half of a sheet. We are starting with the butterfly by quilling a coil. I am opening this coil to a bigger number on the circle sizer. After which I am pulling the center of the coil to one side and applying some glue so that it stays there. After which I am giving it a slight pinch to give it a slight teardrop shape. Now I've applied some glue on the outside and I've taken a lighter colored strip and I'm binding it around the coil. Now we will repeat these steps but one size smaller. Now I've taken another paper quilling strip and I'm quilling a coil. Here I'm making a tight coil. After which I've taken bottom of a brush and I've pushed a little bit on the inside of the coil. Now I'm using my paper quilling pen and pushing it more to give it a conical shape. After which I've applied some glue and spread it evenly with my fingertips. We will need 2 of these. Now I have applied glue and stuck both the conical parts together. Now we will assemble the butterfly. Now we'll paste the coils as the wings of the butterfly to the conical shape. I've taken small parts of the paper quilling strip as the antenna. I've applied some glue and I'm inserting it on the top of the cone shape. Our butterfly is ready. Here I've taken a paper quilling strip and for the first coil we are going to use 17 inches paper quilling strip. Now I'm quilling a coil. I'm opening it up to a bigger number on the circle sizer. Now I've taken a strip of 13 inches for the second coil. Now I'm quilling a coil. We will open up this coil to one number smaller than the previous coil. Now I've taken a strip of 10 inches. Now I'm quilling a coil. And we'll go one number down than the previous coil. Now I have taken 8 inches paper quilling strip. And I'm quilling a coil. We will go one number down than the previous coil. Now I have taken 6 inches paper quilling strip. And I'm quilling a coil. We'll again go one number smaller than the previous coil. Now I have taken 4 inches paper quilling strip and I'm quilling a coil. This will be the smallest coil of all. We will need 2 of each coil except the 4-inch coil. Now I'm giving each coil a marquee shape. This will be one bunch of lavender. We will need 3 of these bunches. You can use different shades of the same color. Now I've taken a paper quilling strip and I've cut it into half. I'm placing it vertically on the paper as the stem of the lavender. Now I'm gluing the second stem, which will be shorter to the previous stem. Now I've taken the third stem, which will be shorter than the second stem. Now I've taken a small piece and I've given it a curve and I've stuck it next to the third stem. Now I've placed the first bunch of lavender, which will go size wise. We will repeat this step to the other two bunches. Now we will place the butterfly on the paper. Here I have taken 4 marquee coils and I am placing them as leaves to the lavender. And your card is ready. Thank you for watching.